All right, folks, here we go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2015 Dodge Charger police pursuit vehicle, 5.7 HEMI, all-wheel drive, original navy blue metallic from factory. This was a former state trooper, a slicked up vehicle. Vehicle does have 130,000 miles with 1429 idle hours. That is correct, 1429 idle hours. Once again, folks, the paint is all original and the paint does have some scratches. I was able to see maybe 2 door dings on it. Vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and she is turnkey ready to go anywhere across the states. Let me stop right here, folks. Vehicle does have a fresh new window tint, medium shade all around. Not too dark, not too light, but perfect color combination for this unit right here. Folks, vehicle is blue by day and black by night. Vehicle does have 3 holes on the roof where those actual antennas are. Once again, those antennas are there for looks. They don't work. They're just there to cover the hole. But please rest assured that there is no air or water leaking into the cabin. I do have 1 antenna on the trunk. Let's get a close-up right here. This is the actual antenna that came with the car. It's not going anywhere, folks. I decided to leave that alone. So to give the vehicle that original highway patrol look. This is gonna be an all-wheel drive, folks. All-wheel drive, everything does work. All services have been done, folks. I set you up for success on another great running looking vehicle right here, fellas. The paint is super sharp, very shiny. It's got the nice slick wet look to it. My detail crew did an amazing job bringing this one back to life, and I also did have them do 2 coats of ceramic coating on it, so it looks a lot more shinier. American flag right there, folks. Folks, if I do forget to mention something on the video, it will be added into my eBay ad, folks. All 4 steel wheels have been fully reconditioned, repainted, so they are nice gloss black, back to new condition. Vehicle did came with a nice set of semi-new tires. Those are going to be the Goodyear Eagles Ultra Grips. Once again, semi-new tires all around by Goodyear Eagles Ultra Grips. Before I forget, I got to tell you that the vehicle does have brand new brakes and rotors all around from the department, folks. Let me stop right here. The vehicle does have drill slotted rotors, new drill slotted rotors all around, front and rear, with new brakes, front and rear, once again from the department, folks. 8+ to have, let me tell you, she's got some stopping power. Folks, vehicle does have a new use set, 2 new use. It's got a set of a new use spotlight assembly. When I first got the vehicle didn't come with anything on there, so I went ahead and reinstalled everything back to specs as if the vehicle is still out in service. Folks, I got to tell you, let me stop right here. The front bumper cover was repainted, folks, due to chips and scratches from road hazard, and so were the lights. The lights were replaced. They are OEM, folks. Let me clean this up here for you. OEM, good use set of OEM headlamps on this one. I gave the vehicle a I gave the vehicle a facelift. New headlights, correction, new use headlights. Front bumper was repainted, folks. She looks a heck of a lot better. When I first got the car in, she had a lot of white dots on the front end, which didn't sit well with me, so I went ahead and took care of that for us. Once again, those are the antennas right there. Those are the actual antennas, but they are there just for looks. They don't really serve a purpose. There is no air or water leaking into the cabin, just so you know. Just so you know, fellas. Vehicle does have some scratches. It's got some scratches right here. You can see those right there. Some scratches right here as usual. All right, another one right here, and it's got one right here on, and one run right there on top of the hood, folks. You can kind of see it, but they are there. It's my job to let you know what I see here behind the lens, so that we are completely clear on what you are looking at, folks. I'm not gonna sell you a lie. I'm not gonna sell you headaches. For those of you that track my work, follow me, you guys already know how I work. All right, let's go inside of the vehicle. For the rear seat, I do have a vinyl leather type rear seat, complete with seat belts and buckles are in place. Perfect vinyl flooring. Rear doors have been fully reassembled with door locks and switches. The vehicle did come with the kit from the department, so I had my guy reinstall everything back in place. So if you do have passengers on the rear seat, they will be able to exit out of the vehicle. Sorry guys, let me go ahead and put this here on the... Sorry. Door panels are intact. They are in nice shape. Once again, this is a 2015 Dodge Charger. Driver's side seat is in nice, perfect shape. Passenger side seat is in nice, perfect shape as well. Vehicle did come with 3 key fobs. It's right there. What you see is what you're gonna get. Vehicle also does have a new use OEM center console. I contacted my guy that I buy this from, and he had one in stock, so $300 after. I went ahead and put this in, and now you do have an armrest, you do have auxiliary, cup holder, and cigarette lighter in front, which by the way does work. Honk works, folks. Let me see what else. Let's go inside because the clock is ticking. Let's fire her up. Clean start here for you guys. There you go. Pressure lights are up. Folks, idle hours are, idle hours are going to be 1429 on this unit with 130,000 miles actual mile on this particular unit right here, with 4460 lifetime, 4460 idle hours, which is super good, but we are looking at 1429. All right, for those of you that are crazy about the idle hours, there you go. Stereo does work. Stereo does work, folks. Super cold air conditioner. YouTube, I do not own the rest of the song. YouTube, I do not own the rest of the song. He's got a new use light console here. The car didn't come with one, so I got one on eBay for $60 right there. So it does work when the lights, when the doors are open, the lights do come on. White LED, red LED. Honk works, I already said that. LED bulbs do work. Am I forgetting anything? Vehicle does have a working cruise control, built-in factory Bluetooth, working Bluetooth as well, so you can go ahead and talk through the vehicle. Hands-free device. Once again, this was a state trooper highway patrol slicked up vehicle, so it had no light bar on top of the roof. All right, the lights were inside the vehicle. Vehicle does have a full-size spare tire and wheel with the floor jack and hold down pen. Vehicle also does come with a sliding aluminum tray table on there. What you see is what you're gonna get. What you see is what you're gonna get, folks. I'm sorry, I'm getting stuck here trying to get ahead of myself. There you go. Before I forget, also vehicle does have a brand new OEM door hinge. The one that the vehicle came with was bad, so I replaced that. That is a dealer item, folks. Dealer item. Drill sliders rotor right there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but they are there. Wheels being repainted. Alright folks, this vehicle once again is in immaculate running condition, folks. Everything has been done. I left nothing for you to do but just to take her to the gas station and your local DMV and get her registered to your name. That is about it. Super quiet. There's no funny noises, no funny smells, no funny ticking, no funny anything. No funny noises whatsoever, folks. Starting right to left, I do have a brand new air filter. Full synthetic 520 oil service, 7 quarts. And filter. Vehicle does have 16 OEM irradiant spark plugs. Throttle body was serviced and cleaned out. Transmission was serviced with APF 4 Mopar fluid and transmission filter kit. Vehicle does have a new battery from the department. Cabin filter is also new. Air conditioner it's nice and cold. Dry belt appears to be in new condition. Once again, that came from the department. I didn't have to do anything to it. Vehicle does have a nice used engine cover that I got from one of my suppliers as well. Give it that nice look. Suspension is nice and tight. Vehicle doesn't have any leaks. It doesn't overheat. There's nothing funny about this vehicle, folks. Once again, I set you up for success. I couldn't do it any better, folks. I could not do it any better. For those of you that follow me, you guys already know how I work. I don't like to cut corners, and I don't like spending, you know, cutting corners actually, sorry. If I do gotta spend money, I will. That's not a problem. All right, one last final look at this beautiful 2015 Dodge Charger all-wheel drive 5.7 HEMI. Perfect front end, folks. I like the way it looks. It cleaned up a heck of a lot. I've even put LED lights on the actual headlamps. Those are gonna be LED, so they're a little bit brighter. Folks, if you see something you like, please do not hesitate to give me a call. I'm here for you. However, I'm not here to waste your time, so please, I ask that you do the same for me. If you see something you like, please do not hesitate to give me a call. Let's talk about it. Let's see if we can come to an agreement, and hopefully I can put you behind the wheel of one of my units here. One last final look. Once again, folks, I'm not sure how long this vehicle is going to remain online, but if you see something you like, please do call me. All right, this is the Car Victoria guy signing off. You guys have a great weekend out there. God bless and take care.